In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile a bank account in QuickBooks. We'll start by opening QuickBooks and heading into the area where reconciliation is managed. Once you're on the main screen, click on Settings, then choose Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation workspace where you can compare your QuickBooks records against your bank statement. From the account drop-down menu, select the bank account or credit card account you want to reconcile. It's important to make sure you choose the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. Next, verify that the beginning balance shown in QuickBooks matches the starting balance on your bank statement. This is a key checkpoint because if the opening balance is off, the rest of the reconciliation usually won't come out correctly. Take a moment here and compare the amounts carefully. After that, enter the ending balance and the ending date exactly as they appear on your bank statement. Accuracy matters here, so be sure not to round numbers or use a different date range than the one shown on the statement. If your statement includes bank service fees or interest earned that haven't yet been entered into QuickBooks, go ahead and add those details now if applicable. This helps ensure your books reflect the full activity shown by the bank before you begin matching transactions. Once everything looks correct, click Start Reconciling. QuickBooks will then display a list of transactions for that account. Your next task is to go through the list and check off each transaction in QuickBooks that matches a transaction on your bank statement. Work methodically and compare amounts, dates, and transaction types so you don't accidentally mark the wrong item. As you check off matching transactions, keep an eye on the difference amount at the top of the screen. That number should gradually decrease as more items are matched correctly. This running total is a helpful indicator that you're moving in the right direction. When the difference reaches 0.00, that means your account is balanced. At that point, the reconciliation is complete, and you can click Finish Now to finalize it in QuickBooks. After finishing, you'll have the option to view, print, or save the reconciliation report for your records. That report can be useful for bookkeeping, audits, or simply for confirming what was reconciled and when. And that's how to reconcile a bank account in QuickBooks.